our selectors and our constructors, we're going to start putting our information into something that makes sense. So we've initialized our contact list to nothing right now. And what we were supposed to do was initialize it to an empty list. And so this is what's going to look like. And once we initialize it to a list, it changes and it has this gray box now, and we can see that there's nothing in it. So I have went ahead and typed in a contact. So we'll put SpongeBob's contact into our list. And so then now it's a list within a list. So it lists as 1, 2, 3, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and type in someone else's contact list. And so maybe this person donated to my walkathon fund, right? And so we'll put in Mr. Carlton Banks, who lived at 805 St. Cloud Road in Bel Air, Los Angeles, California. And his phone number was 626-123-4321. All right, so that's his phone number. We're going to add that to our contact list. And we see that this kind of looks crazy, right? There's a list with another list within a bigger list. What if we could make it make sense and look at it like as we would in a table? So I would just right click anywhere on your variable and put table view. And so now this kind of makes it a lot easier to read. And if we stretch it out, you can see, okay, so you can see more letters. So we've got our row here would be one per contact, and then the next row would be contact. And our column A would be all the names, and column B would be all the addresses, and column C would be all the phone numbers. And if you wanted, you could find the item from the random contact list. So let's use item. Where is the item? Here it is. And use name from contact, and let's see what this does. So item 1, oops, sorry, I should have put in a actual list. Okay, so SpongeBob SquarePants. Now let's go ahead and do random, and it will actually, I guess, just say what the name is, because there are only 2 names. It'll pick SpongeBob SquarePants or Carlton Banks. And so that is all for creating your ADT or your abstract data type.